And I've actually been on the trip. It's one of the best experiences of my life. It's one of the best experiences of my life. I've never actually heard anyone go to Japan. Guys, could you stop being rude, please? I'm trying to speak. It's one of the best experiences of my life, and if you go, you won't regret it. Excuse me, guys, mate. You can't just walk in here in a Power Ranger suit and expect to interrupt my speech. I'm trying to talk to this. Oh, you think you're a tough guy, do you? Bit of a tough guy. Yeah, but what you don't know is I'm a black belt in karate. So as I was saying, sorry I just had to deal with that. I used to be a bouncer as well before I was a teacher, but if you can just talk to any of those guys in that picture, they'll tell you all about the trip. It's a fantastic opportunity. None of them will say anything bad about it because it really is. It's really a fun thing to do.
Who are these people?
Don't forget guys, Japan Club today, D1 Break 2, see you there.